In this video, I'm going to show you how to find BNB meme coins. Now, there's a lot of different platforms where you can actually find these, but for me, I'm using Axiom Pro, and if you want to use it as well, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out if you want to. So to find BNB meme coins on here, first you must switch from the Solana chain to the BNB chain. So Axiom actually was huge on Solana meme coins, but recently they've just had a new update where you can now trade BNB coins as well. And the way to find them is by clicking on Sol up here and switching to BNB. In here, you then have your trending coins here. You can see there's a bunch of different coins. All of these are BNB meme coins. And then you can go to Pulse, where you can find different new pairs, final stretch coins, and the migrated coins. And then you can, of course, set your filters like this, and you'll be able to just find different coins that are basically being created, filter out the scams, etc. Okay, so that's how you find them, and if you'd like to actually buy them, just pick the coin you'd like to buy. So for example, let's say, I don't know, this one is the one you want to buy. You can just go ahead over here and then buy and sell here on the right hand side. So that's how easy it is to find BNB meme coins. If you want any other tutorials on BNB meme coins, Axiom, stuff like that, I have hundreds of tutorials on my channel, so make sure you check those out as well. Now, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.